How to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off your active status on both Facebook and Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1. That is to turn off active status on Facebook. So here first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy, and after that you can simply tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down, and there under audience and visibility, you'll see the option labeled as active status. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, there you'll see the option labeled as show when you are active. So simply toggle off that option. And once you do that, you have turned off the active status on Facebook. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to turn off active status on Messenger. So turning it off on Facebook is not enough. You must also disable it in Messenger as well. And here to do that, simply exit the Facebook app and simply open the Messenger app. And here make sure that you're logged in with your account, and once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside this menu section, just tap on the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down and tap on active status. And now here in this section, you simply have to toggle off this option that says show when you are active. And here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just select until I change it, and after that you can just tap on pause. And once you do it, the active status will be turned off in Messenger as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.